Alright, so here in this video we're going to look at this question. Alright, so the question is, in the figure below, find A, L, K. This is L, this is K. So you are finding the distance from here to here. B, M, N. This is M, this is N. So you're finding the distance from here to here. Alright, and C is sine theta. This is your theta. So you look for the value of what? Sine theta. Alright, so this is triangle LMN. So in this triangle, there are two triangles. Alright. So the first question is find LK. Find LK. That's the distance from here to here. So to look for our LK, we would have to first of all consider this first triangle. Alright. Like I said, there are two triangles that are here. So I'm going to draw this triangle that is by my left. Alright, so I have the triangle looks like this. This is the triangle that I have by my left. Alright, so this is M, this is L, and this is what? This is K. Alright, here I have here to be 70 degrees and I have here to be 7 centimeters. So I'm looking for LK. LK. Alright, so question A is to find LK, the distance from here to here. Alright, this is our angle 90. This is the right angle. So the first thing that you want to do is to identify the sides. Alright, the side that you are looking for, which is the LK, is the side facing this angle, this acute angle, and that is your opposite. Alright, while the side facing this right angle is your hypotenuse. So what is the relationship between opposite and hypotenuse? Again, the side facing this acute angle 70 degrees is your LK. That is your opposite. Alright, and the side that is given to you, which is the side facing this right angle, is the hypotenuse. So what's the relationship between opposite and hypotenuse? It is what? Sine theta. So I have that sine theta is equal to what? Opposite over hypotenuse. Alright, sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So what is my theta? My theta is 70. So this is sine 70 is equal to, my opposite is my LK. Alright, LK over my hypotenuse is what? 7 over 7. So this will be, sine 70 will be what? Sine 70 is equal to 0.9396. So that's approximately 0.9397. Alright, 0.9397 equal to LK over what? 7. So you should know that your 0.9397 can also be written as 0.9397 divided by 1. Anything divided by 1 will give you that number. 0.9397 divided by 1 will still be 0.9397. Alright, so the next thing you would want to do here is to cross multiply. So LK times 1 will give you LK equal to 0.9397 times 7 times 7 will be equal to 6.5778. Alright, so that's approximately 6.58. So this is 6.58 centimeters. So my LK is 6.58 centimeters. So the distance from here to here is what? 6.58 centimeters. Alright, so my LK is what? 6.58 centimeters. From here to here is 6.58 centimeters. Alright, so the next thing is to find MN. Find MN. and we're going to look at this in the next video.